about you. Please tell me about yourself briefly.
Thanks for this opportunity, ma'am. I'm Rama Kumari, and recently I have done my graduation from University of Delhi in commerce background, and still I'm pursuing masters from IGNOU. And as a motivated graduate student, I am very excited to learn new things and new knowledge, get the new knowledge. And if I talk about my hobbies, then in my spare time I usually read books, English novels, and read the books related to the English materials. So it's my hobbies to read, get the knowledge related to English, and read novels like this.
Okay. So I can see you have written that you have taught in Maya School. Did you get any kind of feedback, like something positive things they must have shared about you? So what kind of feedback did you get?
I usually get the feedback from people and from my friends and family. They say about me that I can make make the other people understand easily, and I'm very a creative thinker, and I can easily get the knowledge from the other people. If I'm also a good listener. If somebody is talking about something, then I can easily crack the knowledge from them.
Would you like to talk about your strengths and weaknesses?
Yes, I'm very hardworking, punctual towards my work, and I'm a good listener, as I have shared. And if I talk about my weaknesses, then I can't say no. If somebody is asking for me to help, then in that time I can't say no to them. And if somebody assign me to any work, like, so in that case I don't say no. And my second weakness is that I don't realize the time. If I am doing something, then I don't consider the time, and I usually I just do the thing and complete that thing.
Okay. So earlier you were working in the school, but now you want to become a facilitator. So there are some differences. Okay, working in the school teaching students and working here teaching students, it's different. In this, what happens that if you are very much hardworking, you can create a bond with the students, then only students will be coming.
Yes.
Okay. As you know, like we provide like free of cost course. So just imagine that in your class, out of 20 students, like 10 students are coming and 10 students are irregular. They don't come for the classes, and you have noticed it for so long it was happening. Now, what would you do from your side so that those 10 students can also come back to the class?
So in this situation, first I would like to know about what is the problem behind it. First I would like to know the problem, and after this I will reach on a conclusion or a solution. That if I am getting the problem, like they are doing something or they are stuck in some other work, then I will just suggest them there is another session also, and you can attend those sessions. And if you want to change your time, then you can change your time and come in another session also. And if they are not interested in this in the English language, and they are just passing the time, then in this situation I will tell them the important thing related to the English. And like this I will tell the importance of English, how the English language and English skill improve them, like help them for their future.
Now I would like to know if you have any achievement. Did you achieve something which you feel like, yes, that was my biggest achievement?
Yes, recently I have recently I have passed my graduation from University of Delhi. Then in that I got the first division, and I got the higher marks in my English language. So it's my biggest achievement.
Okay. Now the last question: what motivated you to become facilitator?
Yes. So if I'm doing something, or then in that case, if I'm getting the feedback, whether it would be the positive feedback or a negative, at least I'm getting the feedback. Then it makes me happy. If I'm getting the feedback in the way of appreciation, then in that case, I just improve myself and take step in that way. And if I'm getting the feedback related to my actionable areas, like in which I have to improve, then I feel happy in that case also, and I just make some improvement in that.
Okay, but still I did not get that idea that what motivated you to
So if I'm getting the positive feedback, like in the way of appreciation, then I feel motivated by this, and I just make the step forward ahead.
Now, do you have any question for me?
So No, ma'am. Just I have a question. What is the timing of this job?
Actually, we are providing the timings in the morning and in the evening. Okay, so morning timing is 7 to 3 and the evening timing is 1:30 to 9:30. So whichever slot you select today,